first snowstorm here on the homestead.
Good morning. Still have to clear the panels off here, but it looks so beautiful. We got over a foot of snow, and as you can hear, the ducks and chickens are ready to come outside. They have experienced snow a few times now. Oh, good morning. Ella outside the coop here, rolling around in the snow. I'm sorry. I didn't make it snow. The ducks don't seem to mind so much. They always roll around in it, get a good stretch. Well, we got them June 8th as day olds. This is their first winter. Joe is clearing the snow with the blower. I'm going to clear all the vehicles off, get some wood in our outside wood furnace, and shovel where he can't reach. Alright, just uncovered my vehicle. Joe's done a few stripes here. I'll clear his truck off now.
Well, we made it through our first snowstorm of the season. Please hit subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.
Alright, so panels are finally cleared off. One's in the front of the building in full sun as well. Got most of the snow cleared here. Joe's out doing the road right now. From the plow turnaround to here on our private road, it is 2.5 kilometers. The chickens and the ducks aren't too happy with the weather today. But it sure is pretty out.